Goria products, more than it shows.
Hi friends, today show you Gorvia Fast Remover Paint Remover. In our daily life, we always encounter some places where we want to remove paint. It's too expensive to find professionals. Actually, it's very easy to operate by yourself. Just need one PCS Gorvia Paint Remover. Before use, shake evenly. Spray directly on the surface of the object, prevent back spray. Pay attention to self-protection work. The surface starts to react in 3 to 5 minutes. The paint is visibly blistering. After 15 minutes, the original paint film has detached. You can see that the paint on the surface of the metal can is removed very quickly. Use a tool to remove the peeling paint from the surface. Wipe clean with a cloth or wash with water. For aluminum materials, paint stripping can be quickly within 5 minutes.